Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought in new updates regarding PhD program or PhD admission 2020-21-22 in NIT Surathkal. So this is the information bulletin. Here you will get all the details regarding PhD admission. So first they have given details of NIT Surathkal, what the courses they are conducting, everything. This is regarding MTech, but it is not for us. Here you can see it's all the details regarding MTech research. This is for PhD programs. Here you can see admission to PhD programs shall be open to Indian national who pass the qualifying degree in relevant field with CGPA of at least 6 in 0 to 10 scale grading system or not less than 60% marks in aggregate. For OBC, for SC ST it is reduced by 5%. So the general eligibility for PhD to apply in every discipline, like for engineering and technology, if you have MTech in relevant discipline, you can apply. For PhD in physics, if you have MSc in physics, then you can apply. For PhD in chemistry, if you have MSc or MTech in relevant field, including M-Pharma, then also you can apply. For mathematics, if you have MSc in mathematics or MTech in relevant discipline or MCA, then you can apply for PhD in mathematics. For humanities, social science and management, if you have master degree in relevant discipline and CA along with undergraduate degree, then also you can apply. There are 5 types of students who, for PhD program. Like first one, for full-time student on institute scholarship, means according to a standard set by MHRD, you will provide fellowship. Second, full-time sponsored student under QIP. Then full-time or external registration sponsored from industry or other organization, including educational institution. Means if you are working in any industry or government organization, then they are sponsoring you to do PhD from any IIT or NIT. Then you have to work as a full time, and the company will provide you the salary. Fourth one, internal residence, means anyone working in NIT Surathkal or project staff, then you can apply here. And full time non-sponsored and non-scholarship student, means like it's like part time, you can apply here. A student of type 1 must have passed GATE, UGC, CSIR exam or DIE just to be admitted to PhD program. A student of type 3 shall be sponsored and financed by the sponsoring organization. They are not entitled in institute scholarship. He should produce a scholarship cum clearance certificate in the given format in institute along with application, and you must have 2 years of experience. In case of external registrant sponsored from industry or other organization, the minimum of one semester residential requirement may be waived. They are expected to complete their coursework by opting for certified mock course. Only those applicants having postgraduate degree in basic science or social science, humanity, management, mathematics, engineering, and who have qualified through NET and GATE are eligible for fellowship as per institute norms. Employed professional having experience and proven competency aspiring for PhD program will be considered under external registration and be allowed to pursue their research at their own location of work. These are the specialization in which you can pursue your PhD. This is civil engineering, and these are all are the areas given in right side. Second, water resources and ocean engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics communication, metallurgical and material, mining, physics, chemistry, school of management, mathematics and computational science, information technology, computer science and engineering. Selection procedure for PhD will be based on GATE score, academic performance in qualifying examination, written exam, and presentation on research topic and interview as specified by DRPC of concerned department. You have to apply the information bulletin, seat matrix, and online application portal for admission to MTech and and program is available on institute website. The applicant need to register online with the portal. Registered student have to fill online application form and pay prescribed fee, that is 500 on or before 15/7/2021 22. Means the last date to apply here is 15th of July. You have to pay 500 for other caste and OBC, and 150 for SC, ST and PWD. Hard copy of completed application form with payment receipt and copies of all necessary document is to be sent to Assistant Registrar NIT Karnataka Surathkal, Srinivas Nagar, Mangalore, on or before 19th of July 2021-22. In the envelope you have to mention application for PhD admission in the department of mechanical, electrical, computer science, like that. Means after online application you have to fill all the you have to send your application with all the document. Any candidate who are sponsored by educational institution or industry must get their applications forwarded through proper channel. Incomplete application will be rejected. If a candidate desire to more than one course, he should submit separate application along with payment receipt of application fee for each program. Means if you are applying for two programs, like civil person can apply in civil also and in water resources also, then you have to fill a separate application for both. These all are the calendars. Last date 15th July, last date for hard copy of application to receive there 19th July, last date for dispatch of call letter to shortlisted candidate and announcement in the website by respective department 26th July. Online selection test and interview from 4th of August to 5 August. Publication of provisional selection merit list on 13th of August. Last date for sending admission order or letter 18th August. Online reporting and fee payment date for selection list candidate 19th of August to 24. Last date for sending admission order or letter to waiting list candidate 27th of August. Last date for online reporting and fee payment for waiting list 31st, and physical reporting and at the institute or class start dates to be announced later. These all are the given intake for MTech sponsored program, that is not for us. This is for MTech research, and this is for PhD program under institute scholarship. Total vacancies 140. Department wise vacancy they have not given. These all are the documents you have to submit during admission. Financial assistant for MTech and MTech research 12,400 as per ICT norm, MHRD norms, and for PhD program 31 and 35. 31 for first 2 year and remaining 2 years 35,000. So that's all about the detail. Fee and deposit. You can see MTech and MTech student they have to submit this much fee. For PhD programs, these all are the fee details you have to submit. Mess fee also they have given 29,100. Refund of fee. Any student who withdraw admission before the closing date of admission is eligible for the refund of all fee and deposit after deduction of processing of 1,000 rupees. So that's all about the details of PhD admission in NIT Surathkal. Link from where you have to apply I will upload in the description box, so no need to worry. Or you can also go to NIT Surathkal home site. From there you can get all the link to apply there.